Hi, today I will show you how to add environment in your game, and this is my second video on Unity, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So without wasting the time, let's begin the video. So first of all, go to Assets, go to Import Package, select Environment. Now select Import. I will skip this because this will take some time. After importing, go to Terrain and select Paint Height. Now add mountains in your terrain. You can zoom out using your mouse scroller. Now add mountains like this. Now again zoom out. Now add mountains like this. Now like this, add mountains. Now select this tool to smooth the height. Now add paint texture. Now go to edit texture, select add texture, select. Now select the texture which you like. I will select this one and now select add. Now as you can see, texture have been added. Now go to paint trees, select edit trees, select add tree. Now select this dot. Now select the tree which you like. I will select this one and like this, add the trees and select add. Now add the trees like this. Now adjust the camera carefully. Now it is perfect. So as you can see, we have added environment properly in our game. Now I will show you how to add coins and how to add follow camera in your game in my another video on Unity. So stay tuned for that video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.